Thank you very much for the overwhelming response to the first two JMC stock market courses, stock trading with price action and stock market technical analysis with time and trend lines. Thank you so much. Today I am happy to introduce a new course. This new course is unique in many ways. It's based on an oscillator which is the most popular one. So it would not be difficult for students to correlate with the concept. It is an oscillator but will not cover up classic concepts, means no diversion, no overbought, no oversold, no trend lines on oscillator. In this unique concept, we'll try to get a clear divider to differentiate between the momentum stocks and the inactive stock. When here talking of inactive stocks, talking of stocks which are in consolidation phase or in a sideways price movement or taking correction or in downward trend. We can ignore these stocks and try to have position in momentum stocks. What are the advantages to identify the momentum stock? Number one, entering in a stock just at a right breakout from the long-term sideways price movements. It can be whipsaw, so we'll apply the stops. Number one, entering in a stock just at a real breakout. Number two, quick returns. Don't have to wait much for action in the stocks because momentum means action in itself. Number three, participating in right stocks at a right time. Number four, can participate in multi-bagger stocks. Wow! How the momentum can help us to find the multi-baggers? One can easily identify stocks having strength to maintain upward movement in longer period. That is really going to help us to participate in multi-bagger stocks. And that's the ultimate goal of investing. Now the question is it difficult to track? There is no clear answer to this question, but yes, need to make this system as a habit. This may be a great idea for your trading and investing system or else may not be that great. But yes, you will be not able to ignore this concept. What's the duration of the course? This course is for 1.5 hours by now at the time of publishing. But in next few months, it may be a course with a duration of 4 hours plus. How? Our team will add many more case studies, few more live sessions, plus answering all your questions on the subject. Above all, it is your course. Together we will make it a valuable concept. Let's join the march and contribute. Lots of love and blessings.